Google's research team, Deepmind, the maker of AlphaGo, won an award for folding proteins. Since 1994, the CASP contest seeks new protein folding techniques. With over 200 million possible proteins, the problem is still nebulous, meaning it's unclear how protein folding really works. CASP judges called Google's AI program AlphaFold unfathomable in this lifetime. Unfathomable is unbelievable. But you know what is believable? Google telling the world about their AI's accomplishment before scientists peer-reviewed the AI program. If there's one thing Google knows better than AI, it's searchable clickbait. Clickbait grabs your attention like a hook snares a fish. Your click is the fish. For example, the world news is excited about the Sistine Chapel of the Ancients, a cliffside in the Colombian Amazon. The paintings are of ineffable beauty. There are no words to describe seeing mastodons and giant sloths next to 12,000-year-old red human handprints. But, and that's a big red but, these paintings were discovered 1 year ago. Why wait? Why not tell the little humans about this a year ago? Because a travel show asked the scientists to wait a year for viewers, big red viewers with big red butts. Thank you, Channel 4. Bringing us to our baloney detection.
Baloney detection.
And it's about you. Clickbait is always about you, isn't it? The fake news comes from Chinese state-run Global Times. And the fallacy is clickbait. This week, Sichuan's Pao Kai received an international standard. Pao Kai is a fermented vegetable, much like Korea's kimchi mix. Global Times made a pronouncement saying that China led the international standard for kimchi. Knowing readers would not see the nuance or the subtle difference between state propaganda and a clickbait title, Korean tabloids reprinted the fake news. Kimchi and Pao Kai are very different, and the international standard made that clear. The Korean and Chinese news companies used clickbait to make a storm in a teacup. Making everyone angry about nothing is how you catch fish on the internet. Seeing nuance is important when detecting baloney and avoiding clickbait. If you have friends who dislike nuance or they find the news nebulous, the internet unfathomable, pretty please send them the Weekly Wig News and enjoy your own personal storm in a teacup. We here at Weekly Wig News hope all you humans are very angry. I'm your clickbait, Michael Paul John Smith. Eat your vegetables and read your news.